y'all. As y'all can see, we are at Crafty Crab Cajun Seafood Restaurant. First time eating here, never been here before. Look at it. Say hi to my friend Junior. What's up? Shout out your Instagram, boy.
At 1804_.
Oh. Go ahead. Okay, birthday girl right here, full in the fat. What's up? Do a little twirl for me right now. Yeah. Spin right now. She about to eat that seafood. What's up? Next, Ashley, tell them where you at.
Crafty Crabs. Oh my God, you gonna put this on social media?
How to do? Let them know who you are with the nice braids.
Come on, New Year.
Come on, New Year. We about to get in here. We don't know how long it's gonna take for us to sit down, but it's
2 hours.
I'm gonna show y'all what I get.
You got reservations. I did.
Y'all, we about to be eating good seafood. Look at the birthday girl, y'all see her? Yes! Today's her birthday, she 24, bitches. Turn the fuck up, bottles on deck. Whoa. Hey. Y'all, I will be right back as soon as we get seated and we eat. Ain't that right? Menard, you ain't saying nothing. Say where your Instagram, all that.
Hello, my name is Dana. Today is the birthday of me. This weekend we have the weekend coming up. Right now, you know, tomorrow we about to go see Zozo slinging. Hey. And then Saturday, we party all day. Okay, not Saturday, Sunday. You can combine them if you want. No. Well, you're getting this. Just combine like that. Yeah, you're getting the.
I don't like those. I don't want no crab. That's the thing. I don't want no.
Okay, I get it. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I get it. I don't want no crab.
Because it's less money, and this right here is a lot. I get it.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
I don't know what you're talking about, but yeah.
So which one you want? If you get blue crab. No, you see how it says combine them? She wanted one option to have lobster. She don't have that. If she want lobster, she gotta pay full price. And she gotta pay extra for on the side. But if she get lobster, it's $30 for the whole pound.
Alright, you know what? I'm not gonna get lobster. I'm gonna just get shrimp. I'm gonna get shrimp.
Oh, we said shrimp.
Yeah, I'm gonna get shrimp. Okay, what if I get...
Okay, here, there you go. Shrimp with the whole head or half a head?
I don't want the head. Headless.
So...
Okay, I'm gonna get headless, alright?
Okay, I have none here.
And I just have to keep adding sides?
Yeah.
What the hell? Okay, I'm gonna get potatoes. I'm gonna get corn. I'm gonna get boiled egg. I guess that's it.
Okay. What you getting?
I'm getting shrimp, and then headless shrimp, and then I'm gonna add potatoes, corn, and eggs.
Why would this headless cost more money?
Huh?
Why would this headless cost more money?
Because they take out the actual head off
So they
of
gotta
it.
do that too?
I mean, unless you want to do it yourself. You could take the head off yourself and eat it.
I can't look at it.
I can't look at it. If I see it, I'm not gonna eat it.
Yeah, I don't know how that's to eat the crawfish.
That's just nasty. I hate crawfish.
When we was in family, we had went to a party and it was like a whole bunch of crawfish.
I might get this. I might get this. The seafood platter.
You see how much it is?
$100. We picked it.
Oh, okay.
For small, large.
I think some people might shit for you. Because if you get this and add it all up, it might be close to that.
For real?
It might. Just add.
No. If
that's you getting potatoes,
that's 18.
That's 18. And what else you getting?
No, that's 18, 19, 20, and then 22, and then 23, and then 22, 24.
I'm getting the snow crab and then yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna add some sausages.
Should I get sweet potato fries or regular fries? You got to look.
Y'all, we're indecisive. We don't know what we're gonna do. Look at the birthday girl. We don't know what we're doing.
Hello. Got them in bookie. You ain't hold up. It's too far.
Is that me?
It's about to get better. Yeah. You both bad about to style up if you're more gum.
Même qui salope là?
Mettez plus son nom.
Mais pas ça Patricia many Patricia many semblé ouais
Boil or shrimp?
bah moi mais j'en ça semblé
Check everybody.
moi mais I like how this look I like how that look
Okay.
and then just like add potatoes and eggs I like this I don't want one corn what they paye tout l'argent ça qu'on a c'est one corn là-bas
Yeah.
mais comment bailler ça Dana, pour qu'ils sont pas demandé aller upstairs petit
Upstairs too?
oui moi mon a manger en l'air
Everybody just sit in the what's up for that people? You know they need more than one location. You know they lose a lot of money throughout the day.
yeah we just ordered our drinks that's all we ordered
We're open all the way at 3.
we're waiting on our food mais moi j'ai fini birthday whoa she wanna fuck this shit up but she can't open that shit oh só fait là on fait vidéo fais donc mon yo pote me si to passe je me senti
Should I do it again with the camera?
oh yeah you can
Should I go put you in her blog?
bon anniversaire hey
Strong candles.
one time for the birthday girl, two times for the birthday girl. Oh, I'm going to come here and chanter là, oui.
Ready?
Hey, hey.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hey.
Happy birthday, dear Dana. Happy birthday to you. Blow it up, girl. Blow it up, girl. Yeah! Woo! Shut up! Qui sont mis ça? Qui fait ça? Un petit garçon belle? Pour qui sont pas bénis, moi? Ou je suis dans un fait geste? Ou je suis dans la... Wow, qu'est-ce que la belle Diane!
You go.
Oh, et tout le monde. Ah bah c'est tout à l'heure, je devant tout le monde.
Miss L.
Ah ça va.
Got Miss L.
Mais on s'en fout.
You eating from the thing itself?
That much cake?
Hell yeah, I am.
She didn't
We
cook
about to eat some cake. I don't want a lot, no? Oh! No, eat one.
Oh, okay. You could get it.
No, they give it to them. They said they want it together.
Oh, it's vanilla. My favorite.
Mama bagay two pieces. That's for you. She cutting the cake, y'all. Dana, pour c'est le cake là pour nous. Moi, ben nous tous manger ça, nous finissons manger seafood. Bye, tout petit oui, Dana.
T'as pour quel ça?
Non, non. Oh, c'est passé, oui, ça a passé déjà.
Oh, that's it? I'm not trying. Wow.
Mama bagay tout petit. Maybe une bonne toute cake là. Hey! Give me a piece of that. My tout petit. Dana m'a pas tout coupé pour moi-même parce que j'en mets un setup là.
Okay, is this good?
Yeah.
Hey, Jenna, give me a small piece.
Wow.
Smaller than that.
Ah, cool. You're not too fine. How about for it? You know, baby? I missed it? Yeah. What do you think? And we work together?
I'm mad. Ou fin di te gen 42 ans, vin di ou te fe. Te mas kon, ak cheve prete ou la.
Yeah, give me something just like that. Maybe smaller.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh.
Dana, Junior koko po la. Sama, hapa mo goke. Sama o gela. Oh, e ba bon wem. E ba bon wem. That's Junior.
It looks like a sack. And they give it to you. I'm cutting it back now. Yeah, you've been cutting it back.
They not going to buy it. Man, that shit was in a freezer. It was in a freezer. I should have told you room temperature. Y'all, this completes the end. This completes the end of the night. I'm tired and I'm full as hell. The birthday girl had a good time.
Tomorrow we're gonna see Zozo slinging. So fun. You probably remember a lot of stuff. Y'all ready for tomorrow?
Here's our driver. She's gonna drive us.
Get killed tonight.
No, bitch, don't say that. Padita. We out here waiting in the rain.
I said, Mona, are you ready for tomorrow? Zozo slinging. He's talking about, don't look at me when you say that.
Zozo. Nous avons nous.
Diana, stop it before.
I don't
want you hanging out with her no more.
What happened?
Teresa. Look at that face.
Look at her with the orange shirt. Look at the girl with the orange shirt. Yeah, crafty crabs was really good. Cause I'm young. Pagi la fi no, mba kon pou ki sa nap kampe la, no?
You fit.
We posted up. We posted up. We posted up.
Let's go to the drive-thru movies.
Oh, the soft shop, yeah. That'll be lit. It don't even be that much.
I'm gonna hop in the trunk, so I gotta say.
What?
Do you see what time the movie starts? Huh? Do you see what?
They go by how much people?
The movie, what time it start? I'm about to jump in the trunk, okay?
We should buy Clan. Excuse me.
It's in there.
Oh, y'all, I just took a sip of some drink and I just put something. Whoa! Petit Daslano. What's wrong with her? Alright, Junior, you out here? You out this?
Get the wave.
Hey, get away. That's right. He not camera shy. Woman, no? Baby, they will my key yet? You ready, fidèle. Many, get they lie. Pachuco. They not pull out getting game. Boyfriend. Birthday girl gotta call her man, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, good night.
Good night, Junior. I'll see you at the house.
$15 entry. Zozo slinging all night and I'm in for free.
When?
Tomorrow.
How long?
It's in Fort Lauderdale. 3 a.m.
What?
It starts at 3 a.m. Is it Oakland Park? Yeah. Starts at 3 a.m.
You wanna come?
Soji? Come after work. Huh? We're gonna get there whenever. We can get there whenever. Nah, you gotta come see Zozo singing.
Stop.
Let's do Lucas Shita, right? Yeah.
Shita.
You know you can't record.
You can't record? It's fine. I'm not gonna record.
You can record? It's okay. Wait, Zozo gonna be singing all night. You gonna get a laptop.
Comment faire rien? M'bay fon ti tout dans jacket là. M'a kembe même comme ça, m'a pesé. M'a pesé même comme ça. Et puis m'a fait comme ça. On fait vidéo. M'a fait comme ça, m'a fait vidéo. They gonna be dancing. Sama, pas mettre dans Snapchat nous. Depuis nous sommes dans là, nous pas baiser parler, nous pas baiser du pièce, nous pas prendre dans là.
Zozo singing all night. Zozo singing.
Wait, he's soup.
Même pas ouais pour l'édition là, pour aller ça.
could have sworn we were some Haitians, all three of us. But they over here.
But that Jamaican music.
They over here trying to listen to some African music. Not to say it's bad, but they ain't like we Haitian.
Put the volume up. Take your time.
We some Haitians and they listening to.
Dana, connect me.
Dana, connect her. Dana, you so drunk.
They don't want to connect her. They don't want to connect her. You doing
Monty, we.
Set up,
Dana, Monty.